Hello again everyone, welcome to my channel. Last video I uploaded a card trick, and for that card trick I'm going to teach you how to do this. If you didn't watch the card trick, the link is in the description below. Please go watch it and then come to the video. Okay, now hope you watched that video. Now let's get into the trick. Now you need 52 cards and you don't need any setup for this trick. You can shuffle or you can give the spectator to shuffle. Now you're going to riffle through and you can let the spectator to stop wherever they want and say stop, and then you're going to show that card to the spectator, but you're not going to look at it, and you're going to keep the card back, and before keeping the remaining card you're going to keep a pinky break like that. But from the front, spectator can't see that you're keeping a pinky break. And then you're going to cut the cards from halfway from the pinky and from the pinky and the remaining. You are controlling their card on top of the deck. Now you're going to do an overhand shuffle and control their card to the bottom of the deck like this. When their card comes, you're going to keep their card on the bottom. You're going to turn the cards and do another overhand shuffle like this, controlling their card on the top. Now you're going to cut the cards and do a riffle shuffle. While doing this riffle shuffle, you're going to control their card again to the top of the deck. Controlling their card on the top of the deck. But they think that the whole deck is shuffled and their card is somewhere in the middle of the deck. Now, you're going to ask what card was theirs. They're going to say the 10 of spades. You're going to just do snap like that, and the 10 of spades appear on the top of the deck. This is an amazing card trick. It impresses many people. And finally, hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel. Like, comment and share this video, and then for more videos, follow my videos, and then thank you. Bye.